minor to moderate severity. The flood warning continues for the Saluda River near Greenville from this evening to Saturday morning, or until the warning is canceled. At 10:45 a.m. Thursday, the stage was 4.7 feet. Minor flood stage is 9.5 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river will rise above minor flood stage by this evening and continue to rise to near 14.0 feet by Friday morning. The river will fall below minor flood stage by Friday late evening. Impact: at 14.0 feet, homes along Old Easley Bridge Road and along Fish Trap Road and Shady Acres areas will be flooded. Plus impact: at 13.0 feet, homes on Riverview Circle will be flooded. Most of Riverview Circle and parts of Riverview Drive will be flooded. Backwater on Georges Creek will cause water to approach homes in Quail Heaven subdivision in Pickens County. Moderate flooding occurs. Impact: at 11.5 feet, homes will be surrounded by water on Riverview Circle south of Highway 123 and parts of Riverview Drive will begin to flood. Plus impact: at 9.5 feet, evacuations on the Pickens County side of the river north and south of Old Easley Bridge Road will likely begin. Homes will be threatened in the Shady Acres subdivision, especially along Long Lane and in the 3900 to 4100 block of Old Easley Bridge Road. Plus, do not drive cars through flooded areas.